Calm down. Calm down.
You know, Santa Claus stopped here last night. He thought you were here. He did. He said, no, he's not here, but he's coming over. You should see what he brought.
What did he bring you?
That's Grandpa's McQueen. No, that's Bentley. Santa brought it for you.
Wow.
Whoa, that's yours?
Can you get in it?
Try not to move.
Who's in there?
Can you get in it? Sit in it.
Stop, Tucker. Calm down.
Why not?
Calm down.
It drives. Okay, take it off.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. You gotta get in and push the buttons. Sit down.
How does it work? Show mommy. Oh, that's good. Want to get in?
Why not? It doesn't work unless you get in it.
Let's see. Do you like it? Okay, I'm sorry.
That's your McQueen car.
Okay.
You think dinosaurs want to ride in it?
Oh, I like
What's he do?